I'm going first, not because I did it first, just because maybe Mariana is trying to be nice to me. I don't know. And I guess we will see. I'm not a Maggie person, so I really didn't do this at 6 o'clock in the morning. My things aren't, I do draw good circles every once in a while. But what I want to talk to you about is just, you know, in the understories of tropical forest, manakins are really one of the most important consumers of fruit. And that means they're one of the most important dispersers of seeds. They play a really important ecological function in tropical forest. And I first started studying manakins almost 30 years ago, focusing on the frugivority and the seed dispersal aspect of manakins. And 15 years ago, I moved my research to Western Amazonia, which is arguably one of the most diverse places on the planet, and that means for manakins as well. And in this site and the work that's been done by a lot of different people, just not myself, but many people that are, a number of people that are in this room and others that are not here, is that what we discovered is there's a real gradient of sexual selection, or the intensity of sexual selection, I should say, within the manakins at the site. And we think that's important in influencing, basically, or these two things feed back on each other. The intensity of sexual selection has implications for frugivority and seed dispersal. So when we think about that, and how that works is that when you look at these different species of manakins, and there is greater discrimination by females, they select fewer of the males. Those that tend to have a greater variance in male reproductive success have females that have much larger home ranges than others. They eat the same fruits, but the implications are that if you're going to be affecting the quality of your seed dispersal system, it matters how much fruit you eat, where you take those fruits, how far you take those fruits, and to what environments they land in. And so what happens with these different manakins is you get different quality, we believe, we hypothesize, different quality of seed dispersal effectiveness, both between the sexes, because males are territorial and sitting on their display courts most of the day, so females are likely to be more efficient seed dispersers, higher quality seed dispersers, but there's also going to be differences across the species, we think, that are predictable from the intensity of sexual selection. So those are the kinds of questions that, some of the questions that we're interested in our lab. Thank you.